There's a king parrot eating ripe privet berries. Very cold today, cold and windy. A Chinese privet. Humans can't eat privet berries though. Even if goats have been eating privet berries, it can make the milk poison to humans. So just because a bird can eat berries doesn't mean that a human can. Windy. Someone's having a full tummy on a cold day. We should come into a better position. If I go around the other side, it'll only fly away. Look, it's frosty. I'm going to have to bring all my tropicals indoors. I've left my dragon fruit out. They'll be burnt, won't they? Hi, Quail. So cute. I suppose they won't be here all winter long. They can sort of fly. They would be capable of emigrating to a warmer climate for the winter months, I expect. Hello, sweetie, aren't you cute? Well, they obviously eat seeds and bits of green. They might eat insects too, I'm not sure, I'd have to check. Some quails can certainly eat hemlock leaves, hence green quail poisoning for people who eat quail that have been eating hemlock. Oops, they got spooked. That's that. They got spooked by the Rosella. Hello, Rosella, why are you in shadow?